Hi everyone! So today I'm making a childhood classic, cocktail sausages with bacon and maple syrup. It is an appetizer that can be found on many tables in Quebec household around Christmas time. And I remember there were always some on the table on Christmas Eve, and these sausages were literally gone in 5 minutes. And my cousin and I always argued about who get the last one. So I hope you give it a try because it's really impossible to mess up this dish. And yes, it's that simple to make. So let's start. So first thing is to preheat your oven, and after that you just take a small cocktail sausage and you wrap it with a piece of bacon and you secure it with a toothpick. And I cut each bacon slice into about 3 pieces to do so. After that, you just brush the cocktail sausages with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup using a silicone brush. And make sure to coat both sides of the sausages with maple syrup. And then you bake for 22 minutes at 350. And halfway through the cooking, you take the sausages out and you brush them again with maple syrup on both sides, and you turn them over before returning them to the oven to ensure even cooking. And you bake it for another 23 minutes for a total of 45 minutes. And after that, it's all done. You can eat it immediately. I hope you try it. The recipe will be on my blog. I will leave the link on the description box. So have a nice day. Bye bye.